Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create gradients background on Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Canva design, and usually if we want to add gradient, we go to the elements menu and we search for the gradient, right? And here I'm going to give you tips to search for gradient element. So you're going to type in contributor Danny, add contributor Danny, like this, and then there will be a lot of gradients background or gradients element you can use for your background. I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, and we'll be able to change the color. Just click on the color, and you're going to select the color that you like. I'm going to choose this pink color, for example, and I'm going to combine it with this one. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create gradient background on Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!